So here it is a cubic polynomial 1x cube minus 2x square minus 13x minus 10. Here first of all we have to collect all the coefficients of the variable x cube. The coefficient of x cube is 1, so 1 you have to take. Coefficient of x square is minus 2, so minus 2 you have to take here. Coefficient of x is minus 13, so minus 13 you have to take. And constant term as it is minus 10 as it is you have to take. But you should be very careful. X cube, next x square term, next x to the power 1. Next, suppose if x term is not there, it should be here you have to take 0. So here all power decreasing power 3, 2, 1, 0 like that. So all as it is you have to take coefficients. Then by trial basis, in place of x if you take minus 1, the entire polynomial value should become 0. In such a way, first x equal 1 you take. You will not get, the entire polynomial will never get 0. So you take minus 1. First to start with minus 1, it will not be. Next to minus 1 you try. So in place of x if you take minus 1, so minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 only. Minus 1, here minus 2, minus 3, here plus 13. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, that is minus 13 is a plus 13, 0. So if you take x in place of x, if you take minus 1, the entire polynomial value becomes 0. So that means a minus 1 is a factor of this one. Minus 1 will become 0 or root of this polynomial. So minus 1 if you take here. Now always you take first number should be 0. Always here 0 ending 0. This is mandatory for this method. First starting with 0 here, and here in advance you take 0. Here 0 you have to get it. So first of all vertically add 1 plus 0 is 1. Whatever you will get, the number here 1 you have got. Multiply the diagonal wise. 1 into minus 1, so minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Whatever you got, whatever number you got, that same number you have to dump here. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, so minus 1 I have dumped here. Now again vertically add minus 2, minus 1, that is minus 3. Add vertically. Diagonally multiply. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3. So that 3 I have taken here. Again vertically add minus 13 plus 3, that is minus 10. Again diagonal wise multiply. Minus 10 into minus 1, that is 10. Only plus 10. So plus 10 I have taken here. So plus 10 minus 10 becomes 0. Because we are adding vertically now. So compulsory you have to get 0. That means remainder 0 means then only minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So this you have got. Okay. Again same method. Here you take 0 first of all starting. Last maybe 0 आना चाहिए इधर. Now trial basis again. Here in this one, even if you take minus 2, if you take 2 you will not get 0. If you take minus 2 you will get 0, because 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 into minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Whatever you got, that you have dumped here. Add again, vertically add. Minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. And diagonal wise multiply. Minus 5 into minus 2, that is plus 5. Plus 10. Plus 10 you have to take. Again vertically add. 10 minus 1 0. So compulsory 0 you have to get. That means remainder is 0 here. Now what is left? Here it is a highest power is 1 ka x cube है ना. Highest power of highest power. It's not a x cube. Here highest power is x square. Here highest power of x is x only, x to the power 1. So start with x cube coefficient you have taken. Second step x square. Third step x. So here 1 into x is x. 1 into x is x. X minus 5. X minus 5 I have taken. And what about others here? Here minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. That means x minus 1 कुछ समय से plus 1 हो जाएगा. So x plus 1 is a factor. If minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, then x plus 1 is a factor. Like that. Here also minus 2 is a factor. Minus 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. Then automatically minus 2 को x is equal to minus, that is x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 कुछ समय से x plus 2 हो जाएगा. So x plus 2 is a factor. X plus 2 is a factor. If minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, then x plus 2 becomes the 0. X plus 2 becomes the factor. So this is the same way here also you see. Here also x cube coefficient is 1. 1. So here 1 you have taken. X square coefficient is minus 1. So minus 1 I have taken. Here x coefficient is minus 10 and constant of minus 8. So first you try here only you take a trial basis. So x in place of x if you take 1, if you take 1, 1 cube is 1. 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 8. So you won't get 0. The polynomial value should not become 0. You next to 1, next to minus 1 try. Always try with 1, nai upaiga minus 1, nai upaiga 2, nai upaiga minus 2. Like that you have to increase. So in place of x 1, minus 1, your entire polynomial becomes 0. So minus 1 becomes the 0 of the polynomial. Now 1 plus 0, always 0 you have to take. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So minus 1 and add minus 2. Again multiply diagonal wise. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Again vertically add. Minus 2 plus 2 is minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Again diagonal wise multiply. Minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8. So 0 again. Now whatever you left in this one, if you take minus 2, take 1. Suppose by mistake you have taken 1. You won't get 0. By mistake you have taken minus 1. You won't get 0. Again 2. No, not at all. So minus 2 is the guessing by practice you will get. 1 plus 0 is 1. So minus 2 into 1, diagonal wise multiply. So minus 2. Add minus 4. Multiply minus 2 minus 4 is plus 8. Add 0. So first you have started with x cube coefficient. Here x cube coefficient you have started. Here x cube coefficient is 1. Here x square coefficient. Here x. Decreasing order of x. That means 1 into x. 1 into x is x. X minus 4. So x minus 4. X is x minus 4 okay, one factor. Here. And what about here? Minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 is 0. What is factor? Minus 1 plus is x plus 1. X is equal to minus 1. That is here x is equal to minus 1 is a 0. Then minus 1 plus is plus 1. So x plus 1 becomes the factor. So x plus 1 you have taken. In the same way x is equal to minus 2 is the 0. Minus 2 plus is plus 2. X plus 2 becomes the factor. X plus 2 becomes. Now LCM, rule of LCM is same. Common terms एक बार लेना है. So x plus 1 इधर भी है. So one time you take. X plus 2 here also there. So one time you have to take. Highest power. But both are same powers, so no problem. And remaining uncommon terms also you have to take. So x minus 5 as it is. In this one x minus 4 as it is. So this is the LCM.